Hey ladies, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. I have the try-on haul for you ladies, and the try-on haul is going to be from Citi Trends. Citi Trends. We have a Citi Trends here in Baltimore, and y'all minus the hair because we know that the hair is a different color. I'm not going to wear it with these outfits, but the first outfit. Wait, what are you talking about? What? I mean, you know, what you doing, Jay? Okay, but anyway, the first outfit is what I have on right now. It's like really stretchy, and it's kind of like a little big. I wish I really got something like smaller than this, but I didn't see a smaller size. But this right here is $12.99 at Citi Trends. It's a it says Vibe, and it's a two-piece. And the size is, I really should have got a medium, but they didn't have no mediums, or medium, but they didn't have it. But I think that because of the stretch in it, I really could have got a medium. And it's red and white and yellow and blue and all of those pretty little colors that I really do like. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. This is my first actual two-piece that's like this. I've never had a two-piece that's like this because I was always like kind of like crazy about my stomach, but I was like, you know what, not today, I'm not. But that was before. This is now. I'm not that way no more because I feel as though, hey, you know, I'm not gonna be hot. I got to look good too, okay? So I also bought this necklace right here from there. So I thought this would be really nice, which is a Diva necklace. I thought it would really be nice to like kind of like pair with it. Now the rest of the outfits, I didn't pair nothing with nothing. I just had this one necklace through it all. And this one necklace is actually from the Baby Fat, and it's from Citi Trends also. Now I paid $2 for this. It was on clearance, y'all. Y'all know I got to have a bargain. Now it comes with like little earrings and stuff like that. So I was like, yes, I need that in my life. So I'm going to be actually showing you guys, or probably already showing you ladies, what the outfit looks like on me and everything. And this is in a large. The pants is in a large also. They are very stretchy. This is very comfortable. And I just left this on because I didn't feel like changing. I was hot. You know, it gets hot when you're doing these hauls and stuff like that. So the next item I'm going to show you is this dress right here. It's the Camouflage army dress. I think this dress is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And the name on it is Urban Rose, and it's made in the US, and it was $11.99 at Citi Trends. Citi Trends is spelled C-I-T-I-T-R-E-N-D-S, and probably every city or something like that should have it. If not, then I apologize, but my city have it. But I've known a lot of cities to do have Citi Trends. So what I really like was this sign right here. You know how they have like the warning signs and stuff like that? I really thought that that was like really fabulous. And it has on here, it says warning, security, stay alive and mind your own safety. And then it has V made, and it says it again, warning, security, stay alive and mind your own safety. You know what I'm saying? So this was really cute. It's really long. It hit me like really past my, it hit me past my knee, y'all. Was I happy about it? Yes, in somewhat, because sometimes I do like a dress to hit me at the bottom of my knees, but then sometimes I don't want it to hit me there. Sometimes I want a little mini trini, you know. But it comes with no sleeves, actually, down your arm, but you know, it has a little strap up the top. And this is very stretchy, very comfortable, very nice. And like I said, this was $11.99, and this is in a size extra large, which I could have got a large because it was like gathering up a little bit, like in the front, like it bent up like this, and I was like, oh no, I don't like it like that. But this is really nice. I could take it in to a large, guys, because you know I love to do that, so I could do that. Now the next item that I got was this beautiful dress. It's black with chains, and it has roses on it, gold chains and roses, honey. I thought it was like really nice, and it has white stripings on the arm, which is so fierce. And the best part about it, I like to say, be humble, sit down. But I really liked it. It's really nice. Now the size I got in this dress was actually a 2X, but I wanted to get the extra large, but a lady grabbed it before I got a chance to grab it. So I was like, why did she grab that dress? Because I really did need that large or extra large. But they didn't have a large, they did have extra large. And I was like, I can get it. But I mean, I can still fit into it. And as you guys see, I can. But if push come to shove on it, I can easily just go ahead on and get my little trusty sewing machine and sew it to my size. Now on the bottom part, it's cut around. It's rounded. It's not straight cut. It's rounded, and it has like a little, this is how it's made on the side, which I think is really, really gorgeous, really unique. I love the way that it fits. It's so comfortable, so snug, and so stretchable. Now, I'm going to tell you, this stretches all the way out here, so I'm thinking even a 3X, 4X person can fit into this dress. But it's really nice. I really enjoyed trying this one on because it was nice. I like the neck part around it. Everything is really nice and comfortable and really put together. So that's what I really like about it. And I'm going to probably take it in. Now this dress right here was $13.99 at Citi Trend, and it says Minette made in US. Minette made in US. So those, I only got like 3 items, guys, that I'm going to show today. I have more, but I'm only going to show 3 today because I'm going to be starting to do more videos on clothing, because you guys say that you would like for me to do more on clothing. So that's what I bought from Citi Trend. So I'm going to just save the other stuff for another time. Now also I had got another necklace, and I was going to do this one today, but I didn't. And this is a baby fat one, and it says Savage. I'm starting to get into these necklaces again. I used to do them when I was younger, but I was like, you know what? I'm still going to get into them. So this says Savage, and that alone, I just dropped it, sorry. It has the little earrings that go to it. You know, I don't know if I'm going to wear the earrings or whatever, but this right here was $2, y'all. So yes, I was going to jump, skip, hop, and jump on it, y'all. I'm telling you, I was. So the next item that I got was, excuse me, y'all, yes I did, I'm sorry, but the next item, if I can get it out, that I got was, this one is not baby fat, but this one's just you know, a little necklace that says queen, because that I am, honey, we are queens. If you're a woman, you are a queen. And it comes with like the little earrings to it. So I thought that was like really, really cute, and these were like $3.99. Let me tell y'all something. Well, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm sorry, my stomach hurt, Let me tell y'all something. When it comes down to deals and stuff like that, I want those deals. I want them. I'm looking for them. I'm hunting. I'm bargain shopping. So the next place I went to, it was the next place I went to. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't talk. But the next aisle that I went to was to find some nails, and I found, when I saw the nails, I was like, well, actually, I came to find nail polish, but then I'm kind of like lucked up on some nails. So these are from Citi Trend, and they are $1.49. When I saw these, I was like, I've never had these. I've got to have these. So I had got 2 packs of these, and let me tell you, these are velvet nails. Velvet nails. I was gonna put them on for this video, but I was like, you know what, I'm not going nowhere. I don't need no velvet on my nails. So this is what they look like. And these are velvet nails, and see, this don't show it up good enough, but they are velvet. Real velvet is on these nails. Maybe I need to take one off, but they come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 nails in it only. So I was like, you know what, 12 nails not gonna work for me. I need to have 2 packs. So I'm gonna try this one on. It comes with glue on it already, so I'm gonna try this one on so you guys can see it. Look at this nail. We're talking about real velvet on the nails. This is like, y'all, sorry about my ashy hands, but this is like really gorgeous. Real velvet on the nails. Oh my goodness. But anyway, so that concludes my haul, try on from Citi Trends. I didn't want to be long. I hope I wasn't long, but y'all, I am like hot. That includes my haul, so I'm going to get ready to get out of here. And if you like videos like this, yeah, I'm going to flash this one damn nail around, believe that, because it is so fierce. It's diva-like, y'all. But if you like to try on hauls and stuff like that, y'all continue to let me know. That way my coins can go towards that way.